Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to get the Master Sword in Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. So what you're going to want to do first is travel to the Eldin Canyon Skyview Tower, and then from there travel to the Mishy Woods Chasm, and then once you get to here you're going to want to come down all the way to the bottom. Now that you are at the bottom, is head to this almost like massive tree made of rocks in the middle of this place. And then once you've reached that, you're gonna want to travel onto the wall next to it, and then you see that in the distance. Hopefully you won't be able to make it. But in front of all of these trees, you'll be able to see there's a light route over here. I don't know if you can see it. There's right through there. There's a light route right there, and then you can see there's something to go up to get to Kriko Forest. No, Korok Forest. Yes. So now that you're at the light route, you're gonna want to ascend up this. Also, it's going to be a lot more clear without the light route, because you're going to be able to see all of this light through all of the trees as soon as you drop down and look directly this way. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to ascend. And then once you've got all the way up to the top, then you'll be here. It won't be as bright as this, it'll be a bit more dull and cloudy. So you might want to get this shrine. If not, then there's another way to So what you're going to want to do here is talk to the big Deku tree. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to come down and come through this tunnel here underneath. And once you've come through this tunnel, you're going to want to go down this tunnel. And then you're going to be met with the purple gooey slimy stuff that takes away your hearts. And there's going to be hands coming out of it with eyes on the end. So you're going to want to, with bomb flowers on arrows or something else that deals quite a bit of damage, then you're going to want to shoot them. And also they keep on respawning, so it'll be quite hard. And then once you've done that, then you'll be met with Shadow Gandalf, I think that's his name, right here. And then once you've defeated him, you can ascend up here. And then here. Now that you've reached the top, what you're going to want to do is come back through this tunnel, and you're going to want to come on here, all the way back up, and then talk to him again. And then you'll get once you've done that, then you'll get 2 memories. This one, number 18 and number 1. And then once you've got those memories, then you'll go up into the sky with Zelda as a dragon, because that was her wish. And then you'll be able to pull the Master Sword out of her head, but instead of using hearts like the previous game, you're gonna need 2 whole circles of stamina. So, yeah, you're gonna need 2 circles of stamina, and then once you pull it out, then you'll be in then you'll get the Master Sword, and then yeah, then you'll have the Master Sword. So that's the tutorial for today. So, bye. See you in another tutorial.